जय रूपा सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ जय गोसाई करी चरण बंदन जाय के विघ्ननाथ अभीष्ट सुरन महाभाव सुरपटम कृष्ण प्रिया परियसी भक्ति प्रदेवी राधिके कामनमन राधे वृंदावनाधीशे करुणामृतवाणी कृपया निजपदाब्ज दास्यं मह्यं प्रदीयताम् वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां आदरणमपेक्षणशः दशान्वयकरोदितं पुनाते भुवनत्रयं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य दयाल प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे बोलो श्री गुरु जी महाराज की जय गुरु परंपरा की जय अनंत अनंत गुरु वैष्णव वृंद की जय उपास गुरु की जय गौरनित्यानंद प्रभु की जय जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा की जय भक्तवृंद अविनाश शंकर विष्णुदेव की जय भक्तराज कुमार महाराज की जय सर्व सुंदरदास गिरिराज गोविंद देव की जय गोविंद गोपीनाथ मधुमन देव की जय हरिमंडल धाम की जय निवासी भक्तवृंद की जय हरीश्वरी महेश्वरी पनेश्वरी श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय प्रज्ञादिगण की जय स्वामी भक्तवृंद की जय और परमानंद dari ilmu God believing God mercifully gave His word of those purpose distributed. But why not this case for this Harinam? And this therefore for everybody, why not they are accepted? This is soul food and soul for other things is not helpful. Only this Harinam is helpful. Going on. Then telling this tongue is now in mundane and so also ordinary have elements in making. Therefore this tongue has no taste, mind has no desire and taste. Then how chanting Harinam? Then Javasakti, anybody is powerful, lot of strength, lot of their senses control are gaining, doing, and their scholar, so-called, but when they chanting Harinam, say no, don't taste it. Without Shishakti is mercy, not considered this Harinam, not possible chanting. Our first is Gurupad Padma. Yeah, what person, what can you remember? There is giving this Harinam and then giving this Shakti. Praying with Chi Shakti, Sot Shakti, Srimati Radharani is near. Please, help me. Giving taste for this, chanting for this Harinam, remembering for this Lord Srimati, Lord Krishna. His Nam Nami, Abhinata Nam Nami. कृष्ण चैतन्य रसज्ञ हो नाम चिंतामणि कृष्ण चैतन्य रसज्ञ हो पूर्ण शुद्ध नित्य मुक्त अभिन्नता नाम नामी नाम है नामी अभिन्न मल्टीप्लाई एंड दिस नाम है कृष्ण चैतन्य रस बट नाम चिंतामणि giving everything but I have no taste for chanting no desire. Also try, then no taste, hopeless then. Other things, everything doing, no problem. Harinam for now, I am going and chanting, that's it. Then my sleep coming, mind is running here and there, disturbance coming, many problems. They are telling this Harinam, not this world is get God, world is not. This what any property means. This Harinam word only possible Radharani Shakti, Srimati Radharani Shakti, causes mercy and our power, then is mind, beside is coming is Shakti and power, then senses and tongue also possible chanting. But this Harinam is two types of people hearing, primary and secondary, Gauna and Mukhya. But Gauna and Mukhya is Harinam, but I have no idea, no understanding. Then here is telling Harinam Tarak Brahma and Parak Brahma. One types of Harinam, chanting then giving Bhagavad Gita. And other chanting Harinam, then giving this Dharma to Karma. Krishna Bhakti, Nathan Dakhil Rupaya, Bhakti Mukti, Diya Jan Palaya, giving Bhakti Mukti, Bhog and Moksha, but not giving Brahma. Other side, the Sadguru is near to take Harinam, Parampara is near, they are praying for me, they are helping for me, they are waiting for all time. Then I am connected with, related with them. I am also praying to Vaishnava near. Then Chi Shakti, Sarv Shakti, this mercy power is coming. Therefore, when Mahaprabhu giving this Brahma Bhakti, what Brahma Bhakti? This Nam Prem, Alagati Parayali Sevani. Mahaprabhu Nam chanting for Krishna Seva for giving this little greed and love. Jiva has no desires, but Mahaprabhu first time is Kali-yuga, he was for giving this greed and also giving this little love. Only chanting. The Harinam is starting, chanting Harinam and praying, begging, then starting this spiritual program. But ordinary people chanting, I am also taking my mala, I am also chanting, then coming dharma, artha, kam and moksha. No coming both. Sukriti, Shubhakarma, no. Why? This is Sarv Shakti is no connected. That time, Harinam, chanting, also I am doing austerity. Okay, sleep coming, then Shikha, time will give this food, then standing, no chanting possible, then standing, okay, not possible chanting, then doing Parikrama, doing heart austerity, doing Radha Kunda inside, morning time, standing in Radha Kunda, morning to evening, 108 times chanting this Radha Kavacha or Radha, this Body complete white, forget like is finished. But after test coming, no Anugata, myself is no Saranagati and no Guru Vaishnavas with his relation, they cannot praying and requesting. Then I have tried again and again, but this is until giving Dharmartha Kamoksha. Lot of lust is increasing, a lot of desire increasing after mukti for. Otherwise, wealth for desire. Oh, I am getting siddhi, I will be very rich and wealthy, I am big temple opening, and many disciples, followers will be nice, everything, garden house, everything. But what happened then? Very painful. How controlling, how maintaining, and everybody not following. Why I have no connected relation with God and God's Saraswati families, and what I am giving them. They coming many people within this opulence, attacking and coming, but anybody not control with this master. This is useless. Therefore, Bhakti Thakur saying, Tarak Brahma, Tarak Brahma. One is Harinam chanting, then Tarak Brahma, Mukti giving, not giving Bhakti. And Tarak Brahma, then Brahma Mukti. But like they are saying, Prabhupada Saraswati has many 60,000, more than Varanasi disciples, followers. Mahaprabhu came and all are within Mahaprabhu chanting, going Ganga and coming and still Mahaprabhu dancing, all are chanting. But they getting Brahmamukti, saying there is attached with this Prabhupada Saraswati Mayavadi group. They, Mahaprabhu's Harinamurti is very attached. They chanting, dancing, but their Guru and Guru Mantra and Mayavadi, Aditavadi, therefore problem. After his Guru also meeting with Mahaprabhu, he is also respecting Mahaprabhu, telling yes, Harinam is good, everything is good, his belief. But after, he cannot accept him. He is say, I am in my Sampradaya, I cannot possibly left my Sampradaya and not accept him. He is completely. This is problem. Quality is Tarak Harinam. Satyuga, Mantra, difference. What? Tarak Nam, Narayana Paraveda, Narayana Parakara, Narayana Paramukti, Narayana Paragati. Satyuga is mantra is different. That time not Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Only Narayana Paraveda, Narayana Parakara, Narayana Paramukti, Narayana Paragati. Narayan and Vaikuntha Varsad is giving Ascharya, and after he is giving Mukti, he is protecting and helping. There is little bit Dasya Bhakti. Gaurabhai Dasya Bhakti. Not all. Tetayuga, Tarak Brahma Harinam, Mahamantra, Rama Narayananta Mukunda Vansudana, Krishna Kesava Kansare Hare Vaikuntha Vaman. Tetajuga also, the chanting, Rama Narayan. And Mukunda Vansudana, Krishna Kesava Kansare Hare Vaikuntha Vaman. That has little bit Vaikuntha Bhakti of Ascharya opulence. But they are not this Brahma Bhakti. After Drapajuga, Mahamantra, Hare Murare, Madhuvaita Bhare, Gopala Govinda Mukunda Sauri, Krishna Narayana, Krishna Vishnu, Vilas Vaman, Jagadi Saratha. In Drapajuga, they are much better. Santa Dasya Satya, Vasanda, little bit. Why Hare Murare, Madhuvaita Bhare, Gopal Govinda Mukunda Sauri. After Krishna Narayana, Krishna Vishnu, Vilas Vaman, Jagadi Saratha. I am Vyasa, I have no shelter, I am not surrender. Please accept me. There is Dasya Vasila, it will be present. What Ascharya Bhakti. कलियुग तारक ब्रह्म हरि नाम Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. This Harinam independently, anybody is not hearing, after he practicing, then they getting some benefit. But this Harinam is taking, accepting Sadguru near and realize so near, then is Harinam is helpful for giving wrong. Then this is Madhur Singh. This is telling this Varnam. Same thing then Nam Swarup appears and then fast starting Archan. Archan Madhur. Vaidhi Madhur. Automatic. Varnam chanting then automatic desire increasing. Oh, I am now doing Archan. I am serving. After service, then increasing everything. And very easy is Kaliji work. No need lot of austerity, no need anything. Dan, Tapo, Jagya, Parta, Home, only this Harinam chanting. And Bhakti Thakur saying, Aikantika Bhakti, what is there? Then Harinam chanting and but no aparad. This and Harinam Prabhupada promise, I am 1 lakh every day chanting, but please you give me nice room, nice food stuff, nice health, nice and feeling very sweet, everybody am pleasing. But what is better this? What happiness for not doing? I am doing everything for local people, but also they will be happy and pleased? Impossible. Therefore, telling Harinam chanting, Mahaprabhu advice, Mahaprabhu Divaspar, all Divaspar giving order, chanting Harinam, deep faith and deep love, and Guru's name to accept it. And after starting this worshipping Archan, then very easy. Also Archan time, Shiva time, continue chanting Harinam. Then Maya and removing and all attachment cut off and very easy. And how understanding I am chanting Harinam proper and first is Mahaprabhu Harinam chanting time, faith and love coming, okay, I am every day chanting, not too much hard, very easy. Next, proof, God Swarup, Harinam Swarup. Harinam Tua, Aneka Swarup. What Aneka Swarup? Just the Ananda Vardhana. Nanda Tanaya Swarup. First, just the Nanda. Ananda Vardhana. So after Nanda Tanaya, Nanda Krishna is now giving darshan. Chanting Harinam. No Devaki Nandan, Vasudeva Nandan. Telling Harinam Tua, Aneka Swarup. Many Swarup. But what is main important Swarup? Mahaprabhu asking one time Ragupati Bhattacharya, hey, you know, there's many Swarup? Yes. Which Swarup you like? You doing bhajan? Upasana? He say, Sutima Pari Smritmitare, Bharata Mande Bhajantu Bhavita, Ahmi Ananda Mande Jasalinde Parbrahma. Oh, I like this. Nandanandan Krishna. He is my everything. After he says, Sarvava Paramupam Bhaya Paisarko Bhaya, Adhyava Parasa, he is telling, Sam too, I like, and Nandanandan Krishna, and Singaras, Madhuras, I like, Mahaprabhu very happy. Therefore saying, you chanting Harinam, then understanding Nam Swarup, Krishnanandan, Narayanandan Krishna. His appears giving darshan after his born. Many nice his qualities, specialties, one by one, all appears in art. Not only Rup and Swarup. Swarup means all Vasi, Urvarga. Now, 100 people come like here. Otherwise, sometimes cockroach coming, sometimes scorpion coming, sometimes snake coming, tiger coming, ghost coming, mostly witch coming. Very easily. Eyes is closing, chanting Harinam, many witch coming. Very easy coming, without invitation. But Krishnanandan, Nandanandan not coming. So Nandanandan, Krishnanandan came, then his special qualities come. Then not I will be foolish and ignorant. Then I continue speaking Harikatha. But one big problem, I am disturbing everybody's, and I am thinking I am great and scholar, then my near to everything disappears. This is problem. All time, like going any shop, I am buying something. Then I am like, I am sadhu. Give me concession. Okay. Give commission. You don't know. I am serving God. Half price I am giving, not giving you everything. Anybody anything good for me? Then I am not thinking, I am thinking, I am great scholar, good for you. You like to be successful. But I will not give you payment, not give you price. What is matter this? After everything lost, no taste for Harinam, no taste for service, everything lost. Why? I am very proud. I am people near to Bengali people telling, Hare Krishna Babaji, আমার এখানে জিলাপি খেতে মিষ্টি লাগে, পয়সা দিতে কষ্ট লাগে। Going shop, oh Babaji, going shop, জিলাপি, tell me জিলাপি, nice. Then Babaji, okay, what you need? Babaji, oh I need জিলাপি. How many? 10, 20 piece giving me, eating all. Akash ki Babaji, give money. This jalebi paisa, why giving paisa? Jalebi you cooking, making for me, I am sadhu. I am eating, not giving payment. I am now, many people which is doing like business, sitting business. I am telling, I am sadhu, I am scholar, I am great, you are bogus, you are stupid. I am everything you do for me, other than give you cards. This mood came, frauds, false prides, and lost him. Sometime after Harinam taste going, Harikatha taste going, is people is helping, taste going, after sickness coming. Very strong sickness coming. Why our thoughts coming? নিজে শ্রেষ্ঠ মানি উচ্ছিষ্টার জ্ঞানে অবয়বিমান ভাগ তাই শিষ্যতব থাকিয়া সর্বদা নালয় পূজা করো I am not thinking I am scholar, I am great, and I am higher authority, I am superior soul, and everybody lower class, third class, useless, and I am torturing all, chastening all, and give punishment all, and everybody is, I am now thinking useless, I am great. This result coming from not other, from me. Why do you like this? Therefore telling Kripakara Vaishnava Thakur, সম্বন্ধ জানিয়া বলিতে বলিতে অভিমান ও দূর when this অভিমান going, proud is going, when I will be humble, everybody will coming. I am chanting, oh every day I am waking early morning, I am chanting this much, I am doing this much, I am book distributing, and this people Harikatha speaking, and many things I am doing. But after some time, all finish. Why? I am cheating people, torturing people. Mostly sadhus are some doing business, other things making, then hardness coming. Karma not good for everybody. Karma hi aramana mithya se dukaise. Itu bicara naam itu baru berjaya. Karma not good. Betul they are saying how chanting Harinam, how Harinam Swarup is coming. Like flower trees I am planting and watering. Nice flower buds and flowers is blooming. Very good smell. Everybody very happy. But I am God's servant. Why not I am happy for everybody? Why everybody spitting for me? Not remembering me, not look at me. Thinking, looking, black and dirty, like a smell, bad smell means dirty like a drain. Why? Why not like a flower? Sweet and good smell and sweet for everybody, but my karma very bad. Outside I am showing I am sadhu, but my nature and character is very bad. But this bad for I am not begging, I am not praying Krishna is near, ya Krishna is near. Also I am very proud. I am torturing my past nature, I am not gone. Like before, many king, employer, many company, catching poor people. I am working. After never giving any payment, not food stuff, cloth, nothing giving, no one giving beating. After killing, then people is scared. One time, one king, he is telling winter season minus that time, telling anybody make complete evening to complete night will be inside water, this much water. Then morning time he is coming back, then I am giving good presentation. So many people hearing but nobody going. One people say, okay, I am very poor, I will be die, no problem, and I have life, then I am getting some presentation. Then king is giving guard, one lamp is back of this ponds, and two person giving guard, is order to going out and killing him. You are promised that you will go out and say, evening, complete night and early morning. Very cold and freezing. Also like ice when he is gone inside water. Anyhow, complete night is passed and morning is come out. Then his body is fire with his anyhow making hot, and after life is come back like he is gone engineer, give me some presentation. Then what say this light is back of his ponds, the light hitting in you, therefore inside water. No give me anything, kick him. Our nature is like this. Myself, anybody, anything doing, I am never kritagya, never feeling this, that person's help. Guru Vaishnava, how much God, how much doing for me? But I am never giving them respect and glorify. Yeah, I have no faith for them, love for them. Never remembering also. Somebody working and say, no, you are wrong. Not giving price, half price. Quarter giving, other not giving anything. The person working is little bit wrong, therefore I am not giving anything. So this is torture, no? Cooking very hardly, there is shortage extra. Then come in, taking stick and beating. Why you short? How is it morning to this fire inside is cooking? After the salt is extra, therefore this much everything fatty and every day very good. Then very nice. You are sadhu and very good. And one little bit mistake yet is wrong. That day, how much my fire? Then look in this Swarup. Chanting for first your ego. everything you remove. দৈন্য দয়া অন্যমান প্রতিষ্ঠা বর্জন, চারি গুণে গুণী হয়ে করহ কীর্তন, হইলেও সর্বগুণে গুণী মহাশয়, প্রতিষ্ঠা ছাড়ি কর অমানে হৃদয়। You have all goodness, দৈন্য দয়া, you are respecting everybody, you have kindness, you are humble, humility you have, all goodness you have. Then Koswa Varnam chanting Pratishtha Sukarivishta. I am all called senses controller. I am giving charity. I am giving respect to everybody. This proud Pratishtha. Oh, I am helping you. You are not respecting me. I am not helping you. Do not look at me. Meaning desire is inside, go over. Thinking, everybody may go over, help me. Then Harinam not possible. Mostly, don't torture anybody. Don't abuse him. Don't hate him. And people little bit is doing Krishna service for God service to somebody little doing Patram Pushpam Bhalantyam. Krishna, very happy. Alpo Shiva, Go Garimati. This much anybody help serving and helping Krishna. Krishna give all time is remembering them, thinking about them. But myself, everybody doing, but I am never giving, never remembering thank you or not remembering thank you. Also torturing. Hey, this is a mistake, this is wrong, throwing out, kicking out. Then this cards is coming and hurt. I am. Therefore, don't do like this. Harinam chanting for Mahaprabhu Bhakti Thakur Dayapar is writing, telling, Naam Kusum, flower birds, like is nice now blooming. How is color, how is smell, how is soft, how is sweet, everybody like. So sadhu's nature will be like more than flower. Not like it will be hard, plastic. Useless. Therefore, Bhakti Thakur is saying, Krishna, Varnam you chanting, then first Krishna's roop, after Krishna's gun, after Krishna's lila, everything coming. No more Maya lila, no more Jaro, this roop and gun not coming my near. Then I am not greedy and tasty, or night time, corporate night, cricket night sport. That time no taste coming. Yeah, gambling for. Yeah, any other starting this world tour and travels. Then after Krishna's fruits, Krishna Murali, Satchidanandamaya, this sound is coming. Vibration not disturbing. Maya Devi, any presentation, they are not coming, not tasteful. Many presentations coming, sadhu near behind me, but sadhu not accepting. While accepting them, Harinam finish. This is condition. This side, here, this side. You going ocean inside water, automatic salt bitter water going inside body. You will move it. And you are this side coming dry, good air, you happy. So the Maya Devi is given and presentation coming. Oh, I am very nice. I am respected. Everybody giving me. I am taking. Then I am going in distance. For example, very far. This is careful. Only accepting. Also, mind is desire than increasing. Oh, little more is good. Oh, nice things. Very tasteful. Very nice. All are understanding me like nonsense things. They are telling Krishna morally is Satchidanandamaya. That things is first is hearing. And Golak Vrindavan, this Kam Gayatri Kam is. This is Shashakti, Mahashakti to protecting. Meanings they are you challenge, warranty, guarantee. No more Maya. I not like this Maya presentation. Nice silken cloth. Came. Thinking, oh, what is problem? It is called cloth. I am wearing what's problem? Nice shoes. One time, Paramurudev in Iran going on. Then Brahmachari came. Gurudev had no pressure. It was very nice. Gurudev had no shoes. Long journey, walking, this village, that village, summer time, afternoon time. Then Paramurudev said, okay, I am giving 25 paisa to buy one chappal. Like this. That time is Ajanta Hawaii chappal. You are wearing this one. He said, Gurudev, please give me 1 rupee. Then if I am buying good one, then long time lasting, no need. Otherwise, this one you 25 paisa is buying, and then only 5 days, 1 week after finish. After need more, then what doing Gurudev? Say no. 25 paisa you using and please support. Say Gurudev, why not 1 rupee? Say, look, one time you are 1 rupee, then your nature increasing, or tomorrow next time by 2 rupees. Good one time. Then you are now understand your ego and your bhoga for desire increasing. 25 paisa one, nobody is stealing. Broken, throwing, 25 paisa with another one. 4 pairs coming, 1 rupee. Then how long running? And your desire also not changing. Ego not changing. So Guru Vaishnava, no. Maya Devi is many gifts and many presentation. Anything I am taking. Like look, this mobile and laptop not bad. But I have learned mobile and laptop. Now get bad. Parents are giving. Maybe they don't know talking. Or finger with this, the mobile is on. And you look at picture. And sound coming, very happy, smiling, not talking also. Or also TV opening and looking front of, because we are laying, very quick, any swimming things, and looking pictures, very happy, no crying, no food stuff or thinking, no problem. After learning and then looking, opening, good things opening, or bad things, all project, everything is there. So Maya Devi is this project. Many things offer coming, but I am taking them, who will be contaminated? All time good things were not desire also. Oh, something dance and drama is very good. Like babies give a cartoon, play cartoon, and tiger coming, lion coming, dog coming, fighting, and very happy babies. Our nature is Maya Devi, this gift. And who is waiting for me online? Who is making friendship with me, talking with me, who like me? Very happy. I am waiting long time. So these things happen for all about this gift and present is present. Mostly sadhus for. No need. Sadhus for the laptop one by one is coming. Mobile, this must come. This pocket one, here one. Yeah. Why is he coming? Why are they giving his gift? Free will. What? Harinam, then possible chanting? No, I am looking at Gurudev video, I am chanting Harinam. I am hearing Gurudev class and chanting Harinam. After Gurudev, now Gurudev is here, Nitya Lila, Pravishta in Golok Vrindavan, and where am I? After is coming, Gurudev lecture after what coming? Next one movie. This is also good. This computer is, laptop is carrying this one. This one is also not too bad, very nice. Our weather, atmosphere, nature and character. All time Hari and Hari Nam, Hari family, God family which is. How will be continue? Therefore, Bhaktivinoda was saying, no need any gift and present, not look at this, not touch. Protecting. Krishna Murali, then possible hearing. Telling. Solonam, 16 name, Ashtajugal. Jugal is Harinam. Hare Krishna is Jugal Nam. Then Hare Krishna, first chanting then Avidya Daman. Chanting then Hare Krishna, then Avidya Asmita Ragdesh Abhinivesh Anartha. This is not coming near. Praying and begging, Hare Krishna is near. And please helping me. Next, Hare Krishna is near, praying to give me Shraddha, faith. And next, third Hare Krishna Krishna, then chanting and praying to give me Shakti. I am only within sadhana, not within Maya. That is Krishna Krishna, two times. First Hare Krishna, or after Krishna Krishna. Sadhu Sangha needed. Without Sadhu Sangha, then not protection, not Harinam chanting possible. And fourth, chanting, then this my nature, character, behavior, or etiquette for praying sadhana or begging, house, deep faith coming. And after fourth Hare Hare, then desire increasing taste, how coming. Therefore, saying praying. Uttam Bhakti Thakur therefore saying, fifth chanting Harinam, and telling Prabhu, please accept me, your servant, Dasanudas, forever. Otherwise, you are not accepting, I am Mayadas and Mayadevi is. That's for I am all time learning. Please, you are accepting me, O Das, Dasanudas. After this sixth, then Harinam chanting and then praying. Oh, please, giving me this pure consciousness and mood. I am my everything very fast of Harinam, Atma. And seventh is Radharani is respect near how going, how Asakti is coming. And after 8 is was with Pranam, separation. I never is forget Harinam. Forget then is big tension, big pain coming. Oh, where I am now? I am not Krishna's near, Harinam near. I am now not Brajadham. I am not Holy Dham. Where am I now? Then very quick tension. This Akarshan, this Harinam has this Krishna has this Akarshan, attraction power. Harinam for Krishna giving all Shakti, all power given. Therefore, Harinam chanting, then Krishna Akarshan is Jasa. Krishna Akarshan Shakti, which is protecting and not possible going in Maya. All Bhakta, before Gonanam chanting Brahma Paramatma, yeah, Narayan descended. But Hare Krishna chanting time is Brajabhumi, Brajabhav, Brajavas, Brajavasi, and Anurag, Ragatmik, Bhaktis, or links is automatic one by one coming. This Anurag, this is Hare Krishna Manantras, first is Samundar, like after time within this, like rope, this, this, or Brajavasi Mercy. This is like Krishnamata tried to finding Krishna. Morning to evening, she try again and again, but she is not hopeless. I am chanting every day, don't be hopeless. Definitely Krishna, heart is melting. Harinam, Prabhu, help protecting me. Then this Harinam has Mahaprabhu giving this all Shakti. Thereby Mahaprabhu is giving this Shakti also. Then is very easy. Otherwise, no praying Mahaprabhu near no shelter, then very hard. So now tomorrow, next day.